Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be talking about the new national education policy that has been approved by the Union Cabinet. Union Cabinet has given its final nod to reform the Indian education system. It will replace the existing 3-decade-old Indian education policy. Current policy was formed in 1986 and updated in 1992. Of course, the old policy fails to provide modern, more reliable and a 21st century education system. This policy aims to bring a transformational reform in the school education and higher education arrangement in India. This new education policy was on the election manifesto of BJP since 2014 and they have finally done this. This is the most awaited educational reform and is welcomed by many, almost everyone. Vice Chancellors of JMI and JNU also praised this new education policy. The policy consists of 27 chapters or headings in total, out of which 10 headings are on school education, other 10 headings are on higher education, remaining 7 headings are common and cover topics such as technology and online education. As I have analyzed the new policy, it appears more inclusive and essentially tackles the problems of Indian education system. As a policy must-have, this policy also has its sets of goals which are mostly aligned to the Sustainable Development Goals, which are themselves to be achieved by 2030. The policy sets these goals as well as when these goals must be achieved. As you may read it, there are various short-term goals which are to be achieved in specific duration of time. It introduces a method for checks and balances in the education system. The new policy is linked with Sustainable Development Goals, also called as SDG 4. The policy aims to make India a global knowledge superpower. The new education policy stands on 5 main pillars which are availability, inclusivity, quality, affordability and answerability. Ministry of Human Resource Development was working on this policy since 2016, when New Education Policy Development Committee headed by former Cabinet Secretary late T.S.R. Subramaniam gave its report. MHRD gathered inputs on education policy 2016. New Education Policy Drafting Committee was formed in June 2017. This committee was headed by the former ISRO chief K. Kasturirangan, who recommended to introduce education reforms through a new education policy. This new education policy will be making many positive changes to the Indian education system. What actually may the changes be, we will be waiting for it. And that's all for now. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Till the next time, stay healthy, stay safe.